Good morning, dear students. Welcome to science session. I hope you all are safe and fine. As we all knows that corona is still present in an environment in our surrounding. So don't take it lightly and take care of all these things like wear mask when you are going outside, wash your hand when you are coming back and maintain distance from your friends and colleagues. In previous class, we have discussed about adolescence changes at puberty. Now we will discuss about the hormones and pubertal changes. So the secondary sexual character that appears during adolescence are initiated or started and controlled by the sex hormones. And these are secreted by the testes and ovaries. Like testes secreted male hormone which causes changes in boys, and in girls ovaries produces female hormones. So it includes development of breast, mammary glands in breast and other secondary sexual characters. The production of sex hormones is under the control of pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is a growth hormone especially, and it is also called the master endocrine gland because it secretes many hormones and it is located at the base of the brain. The hormonal control of the development of secondary sexual character in boys and girls. Number one is that pituitary hormone stimulates testes or ovaries to release testosterone in male or estrogen in female. Another is that testosterone or estrogen reaches the target site. It stimulates changes in the body and produces secondary sexual characters. Now we see the endocrine system. As we know that our body needs certain chemicals and that chemicals are called hormones for the proper growth and functioning. And these hormones are secreted by endocrine glands. Directly, the endocrine glands directly secreted into the blood and carried by blood to specific organ. Hormones are required in very small quantities. Here you can see in the picture there are different type of hormones and have their different functions. First of all, pituitary gland. So pituitary gland is called growth hormone and it is present where? At the base of the brain. So main function of pituitary gland is to control the activities of other glands. Right? So pituitary gland basically control the activities of other gland and present, and it is also called the master gland. Another is adrenal. Adrenal, the hormones secreted by this is adrenaline, and it prepares the body to fight or run fast. So adrenal gland helps in running and fighting, means to make the body active. Next is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland release thyroxine and it regulates metabolism and growth. And pancreas. Pancreas gland secretes insulin. And what is its function? It regulates sugar level in body. Deficiency of insulin leads to high sugar level in blood, leading to the diabetes. So pancreas basically regulates sugar level. Now next is testes. The hormone secreted by it is testosterone, right? And it controls the secondary male characters. Ovaries releases estrogens and it controls the development of breast and secondary female characteristics. So these are the different type of glands or hormones which help in the growth and development and have their different functions. Now we see the reproductive health. What is that? Means to keep the body healthy, an individual needs to have, we have balanced diet, personal hygiene, and physical exercise. These are the three basic necessity for the good health. So during adolescence, these needs become more essential as the boys is growing and girls are growing. Because at the time of adolescence, nutritional needs of adolescent. The first of all, the diet should be balanced, right? It contains all things like the proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, minerals, each and everything should it include. And our meal is especially of contains roti, rice, vegetables, dal, right? And milk is also required at this age. Fruits, vegetables, green vegetables. So these are some basic requirements or the basic things which should be included in a balanced diet or will be taken by an adolescent. Another is personal hygiene. In teenagers, especially, it increased activities of sweat glands. I told you that sweat glands becomes more active at this age, so so the body becomes smelly. So all part of the body should be washed and cleaned properly every day, and girls should take special care of cleanliness during the time of menstrual flow. And last is that physical exercise. As need to keep their body fit in adolescence, especially to be fit, walking and playing in fresh air keeps them fit and healthy. So physical exercise be required or must at the time of adolescence. Young boy and girl should take walk, exercise and play outdoor games regularly. So your chapter is completed now.